Okay, so I think I left off with the cold water going up, and from the first level up to the second level, second water, right? Yeah, and I think that I need to, maybe put a note here, say 1 inch down, right? Just because there's a lot of notes that need to, I think I'll go here, and let's say 1 inch cold water DN down. Okay, so that will take care of that. Okay, so let's go back to the first level, and so now what we need to do is, let me look at my notes here. Make it over, notes. Let me pause it. Okay, so let's look at this again. So I found my notes. So what I need to do is, for the rest of my plumbing fixtures, I'm going to need to supply cold water to these fixtures, right? Ooh, I don't like that fitting. I'm going to change that. I'm going to make another elbow. Yeah, I think it might be better to come down, because that looks like a bit of a, it's kind of like a bull. I think they call it a bull head. If you come down, and this is more a fluid type of fitting, right? So it's more fluid going this way. So anyway, I'm gonna break this up. So what size? 2 1/2 inch, and I have I'm gonna need to do another calculation. Let me pause. Okay, so let's do another calculation using, okay, so we have, including the second level, there's 4. Let's do the laboratories first. There's 6, including the second level, because on the first level is a copy of the second level. Other than that, the laboratory that's out here on the second level, right? This guy. So let's go back. Otherwise, everything is identical. So we have 6 labs. Wall hung urinal 4, and 12 water closets. So that's a 141 water supply units, water supply fixture units. Okay, so let me pause again. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at a spreadsheet, okay, where everything has been calculated in terms of the fixture units. So now I am looking in a book for conversion of GPM to the size based on Hunter's curve, right? So 141, that's 78 GPM. 78 GPM is, I'm going to use, I could use a 2 inch, I could use a 2 1/2 inch, but the 2 1/2 inch is going to give me a low velocity. I'm going to use the 2 inch. Okay. Feet per second. Okay. I'll use a 2 inch. Unless there's some kind of renovation, which you have to make an engineering decision, right? To make it a 2 1/2 inch if you anticipate that fixtures will be added to the floor. So 2.5 might be okay, but I'm gonna leave it at 2" just for argument's sake. Okay, I'm gonna, what size? That should be 2.5, right? So let's break that down. So it's 2.5. Let's put a fitting in here for a 2". Yeah, okay. It could be a 2.5, but I'm gonna leave it. And we are going to come all the way across. Okay, I'm gonna go across, and for my okay, I'm not gonna put it here. I'm gonna tab so I can select all of them, and let's do this. I'm going to erase this, put an elbow in here, modify here. Okay, I think I'm going to come off here. Create similar. I think, am I going to fit that in there? And make that a 2". Yeah, okay. So this is what happens, and I think I can bring this guy down some along with this so that I don't know. I think I need to fit it outside of, going inside of this wall, right? So bring it down. That's good. I'll leave it like that. Let me bring it down just a little bit. I'll leave it like that. Okay. And so now we start to, that is a 1 1/2" cold water going down. Okay, so that's where that comes from. I'm going to bring this guy up to there. But now what we need to do is start to connect all of these 4 urinals, well, 12 and 4, including the water closet. And on the urinal, let's see. I think there's 1, 2. Now, this has to be, okay, let's look at a section view here, guys. Okay, let's rotate that 90 degrees. I just want to make sure that I'm getting the right connection. And right click and go to that view. Let's see, where are we? I'm on the first level. Okay. So it's the one on top. Okay. Just checking. So we're back over here. So this is this guy. That's the waste. That's the vent. This is the cold water. Okay. And cold water, let's check our properties. And we're going to change this to cold water, 3/4 inch. Okay. Let's bring it out here. Because what I want to do is connect the other urinal to the cold water. Draw cold water. Make sure that type is cold water, 3/4 inch. Okay. So here, okay. So that's good. Okay, let's give it enough room and then take it back using the arrow key. And that's 3/4 inch. Do I want a 1 inch or a 3/4 inch? I'm going to leave it at a 3/4 inch And if it should be 1 inch, then it should be 1 inch. But because of this demonstration and for argument's sake, I'm going to leave it at 3/4 inch. So I can extend this guy to this guy, right? And then extend up here. Okay, let's look at our fixture units. Make sure that it's being populated. Fixture, fixture, fixture. Okay, good. Okay, we got that. Let's go back. And do the same. The cold water. Let's see, what have we got for the water closets? Let's see. This is one could be vent. I think that. Let's see what happens. Draw pipe. What's this? If I say cold water, what's it going to give me? Cold water. So if I do this, that was on the first one. This is on this guy. Okay, so that's the vent, I think. Let me stop being lazy and just look at it. Go to the section for the water closet, and yeah, okay, so it's the one closer to the outside. Let's go back, closer to the outside. Same here. Closer to outside is this guy. Okay. Nope. Okay, let's change it to cold water. Why is it so big? Do this. Sanitary. Change it to cold water. I still don't. Oh, what? Is that right? 1.5 inch? Let me check my notes. I guess. So why is the other one? That's a 1 1/2 inch? Okay. So we need to hook these guys up. Okay. So let's go back, and I'm going to pause it here again. Okay, so let's do this. So this is higher, and this 2-inch pipe is higher than, so what I'm going to do is connect my two back to back. Let's do this again. Come out. I don't know why it continues to default to the sanitary, but I'm not going to worry about it. Go back here, and we go here. Draw a pipe. I'm going to connect into this back to back, and I'm going to come out. That's a 2-inch. Okay. So create similar there. Nope, nope, nope. I don't want that. I want to create similar here. Create similar. So I need to go up. So I'm going to kind of put it right here. Okay. And this is a 2.5 inch or 2 inch. Yeah. Let's make that 1 1/2 inch. Okay. And we're going to do this. I'm going to come all the way down. Okay. What size? 1 1/2. That's good. I like that. Okay. And then we connect into the pipe in here. think that what I need to do here, because I need to connect, is I need this piece. So I'm going to go back to my section. This section, okay, and that's fine. I am here. What I could do, okay, I could filter. Let's filter some of this out. Let's filter out the hot water, the waste, and the vent, so we can see what we're doing. Okay, so I'm gonna copy. We could use a section view. Let's go to section view. Yeah, let's go to section view. Let's do a section view. Section view. Let's rotate that at 90. Let's go 90. And kind of go in there pretty tight. Yeah, I like that. I like that. And just get a reference to in section 2. So that's where we are. I don't know if that's the right view. Maybe this section might be better, because I want to got myself in a bit of a pickle. What I could do is create similar here. And no. Okay. I think that, let's go here. And go section. Turn off the vent. Okay, let's turn off the vent. All right. Let's add. So we're going to add some of this information so that we can filter out other information, right? Storm drain here, plumbing. Okay. Let's turn off. Nope. Yeah. Okay. Nope. Okay. Yeah. Cold water. Now. So. Let's see. I want to create copy. Nope. Let's do this. Create similar. Can I do that? Will Revit let me do that? Looks like it so far. Let's look at the first level. And I think what I can do is, can I line that up? If I line that up here, nope. Let's go back. Let's move this guy out of the way. I think this might work. Align this pipe and that pipe. Yeah, okay. That might work. Section and extend. That was tough. I think it could have been done a little better. I don't like that anyway. I don't like that, the way that's laid out. I don't like that. Because I think that I can come down once and feed these instead of these long, okay. So I think I'm going to leave it here. I don't like this design at all. I think I should do it like I'm doing the urinals. Just come down with the main and then connect. Yeah, I think that might be better. So, okay. So I think I'm going to leave it here. And I'll talk to you guys later.